Today's tutorial, how to generate PDF files in VB.NET Library. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to our tutorial on generating PDF files in VB.NET using IronPDF. We've already installed the IronPDF NuGet package, so let's jump right into our console application and examine the program.vb file. At the top of our file are import and license keys. Let's focus on our main method. This is the heart of our program where we call all of our PDF generation functions. We've got 10 different examples here, each showcasing a different aspect of PDF creation and manipulation with IronPDF. So first we have our create basic PDF function, and this is the simplest way to create a PDF with IronPDF. We're using the Chrome PDF renderer to turn a basic HTML string into a PDF. It's just one line of code to create a single page document with the heading that says My First PDF in VB.NET. Then we save it to myfirst.pdf. Next, let's look at create PDF from URL. This function shows us how to turn a web page into a PDF. We're grabbing the NuGet package page for IronPDF and converting it into a PDF document. It's as simple as passing a URL to a renderer, and IronPDF does all the heavy lifting after that. Now, create PDF from HTML file with options is where things get a little bit more advanced. We're setting up custom rendering options here. We're telling IronPDF to use print media CSS, skip the backgrounds, set the page to landscape, and even wait a bit before rendering. This gives us precise control over how our PDF looks. Moving on, we have a create PDF with a header and footer. As the name suggests, this function adds headers and footers to our PDF. We're setting up a centered header with a divider line and a footer with page numbers. This is great for giving our PDFs a professional and polished look. The create PDF from HTML template function shows us how to use templates. We've got a simple HTML string with a placeholder, and we're using string.format to pop in some more content. This is perfect for when you need to create multiple PDFs with the same layout, but different content. Next up is merge PDFs. This function takes multiple PDF files and combines them into one. We load up our PDFs into a list, merge them, and then save the result. It's a handy feature for when you need to compile multiple documents into a single file. The add cover page function does exactly what it says. It adds a cover page to an existing PDF. We load a PDF, create a new page with a heading, and stick it on the front. It's a simple way to add a title page or introduction to your document. Remove last page is another straightforward function. We load a PDF, tell IronPDF to remove the last page, and then save the result. This is useful if you ever need to trim pages off the end of a document. Security is, of course, very important, and that's where secure PDF comes in. This function adds password protection to a PDF. We load our document, set a password, and then save it. Now, only people with the password can open the PDF. Last, but of course not least, we have apply stamp to PDF. And this function adds a watermark or a stamp to our PDF. We're creating a stamp with some HTML, setting its properties like opacity and rotation, and then applying it to our document. This is a great way to add branding or mark documents as drafts. So now that we've got through all of our functions, let's run the program and see what we get. All right, so look at this. It's working perfectly, creating all our PDF files just as we suspected. So before we dive into our newly created PDFs, I want to show you the A, B, and C, some PDFs we used in this project. These are the files we'll be merging together in one of our functions. All right, so let's start with myfirst.pdf. It's a simple one-page document with our myfirstPDF in VB.NET heading. Next up is URL to pdf.pdf. This one's a bit longer, showing the entire PDF NuGet page as a multi-page document. Here's HTML5.pdf. Notice how it's in landscape mode and doesn't have any backgrounds. That's custom options that we set up earlier. This one is HTML5 with header. See the VB.NET PDF slideshow at the top and the page numbers at the bottom. That's our custom header and footer in action. HTML template.pdf is next. It's just a simple hello world document, but it shows how we can use templates to generate PDFs. Here's merge.pdf, and this is what we get when we combine our A, B, and C sample PDFs into one document. PDF with cover.pdf is next. See how we have that extra cover page at the start? That's the page we prepended to our original document. And this is PDF without last page.pdf. It's our sample PDF, but with the final page removed. And here is secure.pdf. It looks normal, but we try to open it and we'll be asked for a password. And that's our security feature at work. Finally, we have the stamp.pdf and see the completed text running diagonally across the page. That's our watermark in action. All right, and there you have it. We've explored 10 powerful ways to create and manipulate PDFs using IronPDF in VB.net. From basic creation to advanced features like merging, securing, and watermarking, IronPDF offers a comprehensive toolkit for all your PDF needs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.